Guys, what happened to Zoey's? And she's pregnant. Little mystery SAJA is crying. But why is he standing so close to MIRA? Is this betrayal or a hidden truth? Watch the full video. It's not what you think.
Mask on. Keep her breathing steady.
Dad, will Mom get better? I miss her so much. Please tell me she'll be okay. And don't worry, Mom. Dad spoke to the doctor. They said you're gonna be okay.
I'm sorry to tell you this, but your wife's condition is very bad. She needs continued intensive care immediately, but first, you'll need...
I'm confused, my son. This amount, it's too much. I can't pay the bills.
It's time, my future husband. It's time. Mystery SAJA is mine.
I'm confused, MIRA. It's Zoey, her condition is bad, and the bill...
Mystery SAJA. It's time to forget Zoey. Let's go with me. He left with MIRA. He cheated on Mom. What should I do? I need to check the bills. Maybe I can help Mom. I'm confused. This bill, it's too much. How can I ever pay this?
You're a brave little hero. I trust you. But you only have 2 days to pay the hospital bill and complete the form.
I sell this. Then I earn money. I can do it. I will save Mom. It's just a few cents. It's my first money. I earned it. Yes, I did it. Now I'll help my mother. My mom will get better soon! Ha ha ha!
Please, give me some money. I'm just an old lady, and please, I need to eat.
I'm confused. Should I give food to the old lady first? She looked hungry and kept saying, "Hurry!" Guys, what do you think? I was planning to buy bread for her, but my mom's hospital bill is still unpaid. Still, the old lady is starving. Maybe I should help her first.
Goodbye. Yes! I have bread. I can finally help the old lady. Yes. Now it's your bread, old lady.
God bless you, little hero.
I can do everything in your shop. Please, let me help you.
All right, little one, you can start today.
Guys, finally, I got a job. Now I can help my mom. Let's go. I'll work hard, I'll earn, and I'll make her proud.
Excellent work, my boy.
Thank you.
My belly hurts. When will my son come? He promised he'd be back soon, but it's been a long time. Did he eat something outside? I don't even know. Guys, please, for little mystery SAJA, hit that subscribe button and show some love.
Keep her breathing steady.
Here's your coffee, sir. Have a wonderful morning.
Guys, I finally found another job to help my mom. I really hope I earn more money today.
I'll have a cappuccino and a croissant, please.
Got it. 1 cappuccino and 1 croissant coming right up.
Thank you, little one.
Here's your coffee. Enjoy your day.
Someone dropped
Guys,
this.
someone accidentally left their wallet here. What should I do now?
I should find who it belongs to. So much money. What do I do now?
But how do I find the person?
Should I?
I think they were sitting at that table.
Give it back?
And now they're walking outside. I need to hurry before they're gone.
Hey, mister. I think this is your wallet. Look, your wallet was here. Here, mister. I think this is yours.
Oh, thank you, kid. You're a good one.
Here, take this. It's your honesty money, please, you deserve it.
No, thank you, mister. I can't take this. Honesty as enough reward.
You're a good kid.
Hold on, I'm coming!
Why didn't that poor kid take the money? He looked like he needed it. Maybe he's in trouble. I think he went to the hospital. Let's go follow him.
This is all I have left. But I need to find a way. I have to get $100,000 today.
He's crying for his mom. Yeah, poor kid. Still trying to stay strong. You're really something, little one.
Excuse me, Doctor. I have some money. It's not much, but please help my mom.
Please, Doctor. Make my mom better. I'll give you all I have.
Okay, little hero, I accept it. Don't worry now, everything will be fine. Just wait here, all right? We're starting the operation right now.
Really? Mom's gonna be okay? Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
You did great, little one. Your kindness made all this happen.
Guys, the kid really thinks that his $10 will fix his mom, but he doesn't know the truth. I already paid the full hospital bill, and I'll keep that secret from him. Always.
Thank you. This will cover the surgery cost.
Don't worry, your loved one is in good hands. Please wait outside, everything will be okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor.
Vitals are steady. Begin the procedure, we have to move carefully.
Yes, doctor. Oxygen flow normal. Heart.
Please let her be okay.
She'll make it. Believe that. She's strong. Stronger than we think.
Don't worry. Your mother and brother are both safe. The operation went smoothly. In a few moments, you'll be able to see your mother, okay?
Thank you, Doctor. Today I paid my mom's hospital bill, but I'm kind of confused. I gave him only $10.
You must have a lucky heart, little hero.
Wow, that's amazing! You really paid your mom's bill?
That's very good news. Come on, let's go meet your mom.
Really? Mom's okay now?
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, good news. You got a little brother.
I got a brother.
Wow, he's so small, he's so cute.
I know it was you. You paid all the bills. Thank you, mister.
Hey, don't worry about that. You're the real hero, little one.
Mom.
Brother, you're okay. I told you everything would be okay.
Yes, my brave little one. You did it.
Mom.
Now we can all be together forever, right?
Yes, my brave one. Everything will be all right now.
You're very poor, Mystery. So poor you can't even dream big. I can't live like this anymore. I'm done. I break up with you. Go bye.
But I thought love didn't care about money.
Guys, this is where the story ends. Mystery and MIRA, they broke up. Tears were shed. Hearts were broken. And Zoey, she found someone new, Jinu. A new beginning after all the pain. This journey was full of love, betrayal, and second chances, but every moment, every tear led us here. Now, I want to hear from you. Which moment hit you the hardest? Was it Zoey's heartbreak, Mystery SAJA's silence, or the final goodbye? Tell me the exact timestamp in the comments. Let's cry together. Let's heal together. Like, share, and subscribe if this story touched your heart. And don't forget, click the end screen video showing now. It's not just a video, it's the next chapter.